Hi, I'm Mark Battisti with Q Point Robotics.
And I'm JD Schomburg from Online Resources. And we wanted to talk to you guys today about the partnership that Q Point and Online Resources brings for the robotics and 3D scanning application. Something that we're seeing as a huge application in manufacturing today, what we're calling AQC, or Automated Quality Control. But on top of that, Online Resources brings some benefits, and so does Q Point. So Online Resources, we're about 30 years old, and we really focus on bringing engineering services, products specifically focused on the 3D data collection. So we have three main products I'd like to talk to you today. It's the Spark, which is a white light system. It collects color, and it's about a 1.2 thou accuracy. So it's a good, strong system, but really made for organic objects where it collects the geometry of the part as its registration tool. It could also use some targets if you like that as well. We have the HandyScan Black Elite. This is probably one of the strongest tools in the toolbox. It is an ISO certified tool. It has 9/10 of a thousandth of an inch accuracy, or about 20 microns. And it is a blue laser light structured system. So this can do shiny objects real well, black surfaces. It just doesn't care. It's a very flexible shop floor QC tool. We also have the Metroscan, or the Metroscan Black Elite. This is what we see here on the robot today. It's a little different version for handheld, but it does large objects, and it has an accuracy of about 2.5 in the small volume and 3 thou in the large volume. Or we can do a surface accuracy of 9/10 of a thousandth of an inch. So those true points to the surface, 20 microns, and then point to point over in space is about 2.5 to 3 thou. So those are some of the tools we have that are for purchase. We have engineering services, and we thought pairing that with Q Point worked really well in the robotics, because Mark and his team, they're the robotic geniuses that really bring these things alive. So do you want to share a little bit about how you've played with our tools and brought yours together?
Sure. Yeah, our core platform is one that is designed for communication-based connections to various devices. So it ties in well with the Creaform equipment and with a standard platform that works with any brand robot, blue, yellow, orange, whatever, all the major brands. We've got tools that are standard that can tie in for this product. So that's what makes it kind of go together well. There's plenty of integrators out there that take a pile of custom stuff and come up with a unique system to do it. I mean, they do a great job. There's plenty of great integrators out there. Our approach is a little bit different in that we actually are creating standard tools that are reusable. And yeah, the end result is we make robots do robot-looking stuff, but the way we get there is with a standard set of tools. And that's kind of how our relationship works well together, because this big system, that's inspecting large rings or looking at little parts that you might be machine tending and scanning them, it's kind of the same platform, same tools. We're not starting over again. And you can keep building on the awesomeness that one thing has, and that's just handed over to the next system as well. So, I mean, that's kind of how our things connect together a little bit.
Yeah, so if you guys want to learn more about how we work together, go ahead and check out our website, onlineresourcesinc.com, and you can go to the robotics page. We've actually linked, we're together there. And then we also have some 3D imaging tools that help you visualize what we're doing as well, and take your robotics really to the next level for your user control, interface, things like that. So come check us out. Thanks, guys.